Yeah, most definitely. That's what I like to hear. Hello, and thank you so much for tuning in to another one of my videos. So in this video, I am going to be working from home. I just wanted to record myself so that way you guys can kind of see what a normal day in the life of being a loan officer is. Today is June 20th. Yesterday was Juneteenth. So today is pretty much like the observance of the holiday. My office that I work at is currently closed. I'm gonna make some sales calls and I'm also going to do some follow-ups. I did 2 open houses this weekend. I'm going to be calling and following up with those people just to see if there's anything I can do to help them, offer them some assistance, see if they have any questions about the open house, and also to see if maybe I can try to get them pre-qualified. Hopefully this video is very helpful for you guys. I'm just gonna do what I normally would do if I was working from home. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down below. I'll be more than happy to answer those for you. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Hello Amy, this is Versie, the loan officer that was at the open house that you attended this past Saturday. I was calling to reach out to you to touch bases with you to see if you had any additional questions about the open house. And also just to offer assistance if you have any questions about the home buying process or about getting pre-qualified. That is something I can help you out with. You could give me a call back at 661-808-1304. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye-bye. What I do is I call the person. If they don't answer, I'll leave a voicemail, and I'm about to send a text message, and then also because I have her email here, I'm going to send her an email as well. So that's 3 different ways of getting in contact. Sometimes people are busy, they're not answering their phones. Today's actually kind of like a holiday, so some people may be with their families, spending time with their families. So I'm going to send a text message, and I'm going to also email her. So one of those ways are going to reach her, and hopefully she'll call me back. But not only do I do those things, I'm not gonna just wait for her to call me back. I'm gonna keep following up with her so that way, you know, I can get a hold of her. So let me send this message. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm normally like take notes so that way I can put it in my CRM so that way I can follow up with her. Okay, so her voicemail box is full. I'm unable to leave a voicemail, but I'm going to send her a message. And this is another person that came to the open house. She is a first-time home buyer. She wants more information regarding the first-time home buyer programs. So I told her I would follow up with her and give her more information regarding the first-time home buyer programs. Okay, so I put, hello, this is Versie, the lender from the open house. Attended on Saturday. I was reaching out to thank you for stopping by and to provide you with more info regarding the first-time home buyer programs that are available. Please call or text me when you get a chance. Take care. Leave it very, very vague, very, very simple. Hello? Hi. I'm good. How are you?
Your company's already approved.
Okay. As of right now, not at the very moment, but what do you guys like? What is your niche products? What do you guys specialize in?
So, quite a bit, up to $5 million. Recent bankruptcies, recent foreclosures, even if they've had a late mortgage payment or something. All of that, we do all of that.
Okay, so now the recent foreclosure.
And non.
Okay, and then so the foreclosure one that you have, you know how like they have the quick foreclosures and they want to save their home before having to sell it. Do you guys do that?
Yes, we do.
Okay, now how would that work?
Let me see. That would be consumer owner occupied, right? Not on a rental property. Yes, we do have foreclosure bailouts.
Is there any way that you could send me like the guidelines or more information regarding that foreclosure bailout?
Yeah, I'm out of state bill, yeah. Yes, I can. Yeah, I'll send it over. I have your email, vchurch@emortgagelaw.com, right?
Yes.
Okay, I will certainly send it over. Have
Okay, thank you so much.
Even if you were to like pick up a list of people that are applying and their credit's not great, that's easy with us too.
Okay, thank you so much. And I'll definitely make sure that I reach out, you know, once I get people like that. I'm gonna use you for it.
Awesome. Well, I would love to.
Yeah, most definitely. That's what I like to hear.
Awesome. Okay, well, enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll send this over right now.
Okay, thank you. You too. Thanks for calling.
You're welcome.
Okay.
All right, bye.
Bye-bye. So sometimes as a loan officer, not sometimes, all the time, you will be getting calls. Just like we call realtors, just like we call people to get their business, we have lenders. I work for a brokerage and we have multiple different lenders that we are able to use. A couple times a week, I always will get calls from lenders that are basically letting me know of like products that we could use to help our borrowers. So she called me, which is great. She called me and let me know of a program that there's available. So I'm going to be on the lookout for people that have those programs. So if you know somebody that is in foreclosure or in that pre-foreclosure state where they're at risk to getting foreclosure, definitely reach out to me because I might have a program that might be able to assist them. I'm gonna go back to what I was doing. This is the day in the life of a loan officer. Your phone is always going off. You're either always on the phone or you're always getting calls coming to you. I actually got a text back from the second lady that I called from the open house, which is the first time home buyer. I'm gonna call her, if it's okay with her. I'm gonna call her at that time so we can go over this information a little bit more. So I'm gonna text her. So I put, no problem, I can call you after you get off work if that works for you. Perfect. So I'm gonna put that on here that she texted me back and that I'm gonna give her a call back so that way I can put it in my CRM so that I can have a track of every conversation that I had with each borrower. So that's a whole nother different video. We'll talk about CRMs later, but yes, I'm gonna put the notes here, which you don't have to do that, but I don't know, I like to do things on paper and then transfer them. But if you really wanted to, you could be on your computer typing the information up. But for me, I just feel like it's better just to get all of my calls, make all of my notes, then input them in the system at once. I don't know, I just do things in batches and I just feel like it's easier for me, but you could do whatever works for you. Perfect. So I followed up with those two. I have their emails. I'm gonna go ahead and log them in the system. And then now I'm going to follow up with the other people that I got from the other open house. So these people, there was only like 4 or 5 people that came into the open house, but everybody was already either working with the lender, working with the real estate agent, or they were just kind of like looking. They weren't really trying to buy. But these 2 people, I had these 2 people signed in. I have 2 people from this open house, and then there's another open house that I did on Sunday. That house was so, oh my gosh, that house was so beautiful. Like, I fell so in love with it. Actually, we'll insert pictures of that beautiful house in this video. I'm gonna insert that video right here so that way you guys can see. They literally just put it on the market 2 days ago. But on Sunday, they had an open house. We had an open house, and we got a few people that were looking at the house. So I'm gonna go ahead and follow up with those people today. So there was 2 that I know were really interested. First time home buyer, she texted me back. She said I could call her back after 7 p.m. So I will be calling her back after 7 p.m. to go over the programs with her. Hi, this is Versie, the lender that was at the open house that you went to yesterday. How are you doing today? Yeah, most definitely. Okay, most definitely. Okay, talk to you soon. You're welcome. Bye-bye. So that was one of the other ladies at the open house. She actually had questions about, I have more information for her. So I was calling her and provide her with that information, but she said she was busy, she was at work, and she said she's gonna call me back. So when she calls me back, I'll go ahead and give that information to her. And hopefully she calls me back while I'm still doing this and we can kind of go from there. But yes, so I put that, she's gonna call me back. Working with the patient right now. This is the last person that I'm going to be reaching out to today. There is one more person, but she only put her email down, so I'm going to send her an email. But this person right here, I'm going to reach out to. It was a lady. She wanted to purchase a home in Bakersfield. She doesn't live in Bakersfield. She wants to buy a home in Bakersfield, and she was just looking at the homes. I'm going to call her and see what I can do to help her out, see if she had any questions and or she wants to get pre-qualified. Hello, can I please speak with? Hi, this is Versie, the lender that was at the open house that you went to yesterday. How are you? You're welcome. I was calling just to touch base with you, just to see if you had any additional questions about the house or just about pre-qualification process at all. Okay. Okay, so you have like family members that are lenders already? Oh, okay, well. Right, no, that's totally understandable. I understand how that is. Well, but if for any reason you need a second opinion, or you just want to kind of see what's out there, what options you have, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I work for a brokerage, so we have like multiple different options for you. But just let me know if you have any questions. I'll be more than happy to help you out, okay? Yeah, no problem. All right, thank you so much. You have a good day, okay? Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. She has family members that are lenders already. Call with her to follow up. Just because I have her email, and I'm going to send her weekly updates via email. In cases like that where there's competition, the only way to make yourself stand apart is to provide value. Be a person, just to give them information. You may not convert that person. If they know somebody that wants to move out here, they could use you because they saw that you were providing value to them. So I'm not gonna let her go. I'm gonna keep following up with her. So that's it for the people that I had at the open house. I'm not done working. I'm going to actually call some people that I've been previously working with just to follow up with them, to see how they're doing, to see if they're ready to move forward with the process. I will continue to record this just so that way you guys can see how I follow up with. These are new people. These are literally like new people that I've started working with, but the people that I'm going to be calling right now are people that I actually know and I've been working with for a while, and then I just want to kind of touch bases with them to see what else we need to do to help them out. Okay, so now I'm going to go to my CRM and I'm going to go to people that I have worked with in the past just to follow up with them to see if they still need my services. And while I'm at it, I'm going to check Instagram. Got some new followers. I don't know if it's just me, but I get a lot of like fake pages, a lot of like people that's in the trade business, a lot of people that's doing Bitcoin. Like I get a lot of that.
Yes, so if you bring in a backpack, any type of school supplies or school clothing, it's going to benefit.
You don't have to be at every event, but you always want to be on top of the events that's happening. Different real estate agents that have events, that have things going on with their teams. You want to make sure that you are trying to be active so that people can know that you're in the business and that you want to help. Hello, hi, how are you? Good morning, I'm pretty good, no complaints. Yeah, almost there. Are you talking about before you move in? Once they do fix what needs to be done, they will go out and re-inspect it just to make sure everything is up to par. Are you talking about your son? Is he trying to purchase a house? when you buy a home, you have equity. And then, do they have an FHA loan? Yeah, the rates right now, I mean, the rates did go up, not gonna lie to you.